Talk time. Exercise 1. Listen and do.
Hello. Hi. What's your name? My name's Labiba.
Hello. What's your name?
Fun time. Exercise 4. Greeting game. Quickly greet 5 people, like this.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Labiba.
Hello. What's your name? My name's Nura. Hello. What's your name? My name's Asma. Hello. What's your name? My name's Sabah. Hello. What's your name? My name's Nawal. I'm finished.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Listen and chant. Hello chant.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Exercise 2. Listen and pronounce.
1. I'm. 2. Fine.
Fine.
3. Thank you.
Thank you.
Exercise 3. Listen and chant. Goodbye chant.
Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, goodbye. Oh, see you again.
Fun time. Exercise 4. Greeting relay. Pass the greeting down the line.
Are you ready? Let's start.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. We're finished!
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Words. Exercise 1. Chant and point.
What's this color? Red, red, red. Orange, orange, orange. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Green, green, green. Blue, blue, blue. Purple, purple, purple. Pink, pink, pink. White, white, white. Black, black, black. Brown, brown, brown.
Exercise 2. Listen and chant. Rainbow chant.
Red and yellow and pink and blue, purple and orange and green. I can see a rainbow. See a rainbow. See a rainbow now.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Color race. Listen and touch as fast as you can. Like this.
Are you ready? Let's start. Touch something. Yellow. Touch something. Red. Touch something. Purple. Touch something. Green. Touch something. Blue. Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Chant and point. Alphabet chant.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Make a name card. Write your name, draw some pictures, and show your card. Like this.
Hi, my name's Labib. This is my name card.